Hey everybody, if you've got soap scum in your shower, on your shower door, this is a glass shower door. Over time, obviously with the shampoo and everything splashing around in the shower, that residue builds up over time on the glass. What we got here is a little sponge. This one's called the Scrub Mommy. It's got some of this pink stuff already on it right here. The Scrub Mommy has two sides to it. This pink side here is a more abrasive side, more coarse side. This one's a softer side. Plus, also, it's got these little holes for the eyes and the smiley face. You can put your fingers in these holes to help hold it. And this is a mild abrasive cleaner. The pink stuff, mild abrasive cleaner. We're going to use these two things and try to clean this shower door. I've already been working on it a little bit already. The directions say to be careful not to push too hard to avoid possible scratching, since it is an abrasive cleaner. But that abrasiveness is what's going to get this scum off of this glass so it'll look nice and clear and pretty. You can kind of feel it when you're scrubbing it, the areas that are cleaner. I cleaned this one a little bit earlier right here, and this little area is smoother. So you can kind of feel the difference on the glass. All right, we got a nice section cleaned off here. Scrub pretty good. You're gonna get a damp cloth. Wipe it all off. Okay, so it being wet, hard to tell, but you can see scrub in this area right here. This whole top area has been worked on, and you can see the difference. You can see the white film starting about right here and going down. You can see that all the way down there. So definitely a big difference